interest in tanks, military vehicles, steam engines, heavy machinery and history, then please like this video, hit the subscribe button and come back to Steel, Steam and Diesel on a regular basis. We've filmed a lot of this material over the last 20 years and there's a lot in our archive that we're going to be releasing on this channel moving forward. please like this video, hit the subscribe button and come back to Steel, Steam and Diesel on a regular basis. We've filmed a lot of this material over the last 20 years and there's a lot in our archive that we're going to be releasing on this channel moving forward.